Nope. 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 Well, while I keep trying that, let's talk about what really defines a circle. Oh, that's why. I spelled it wrong. A circle is a equidistant center. That's boring. A circle is really everything. Because if you think about it, any shape can fit within itself, and any shape can fit within other shapes. You can fit an infinite number of circles inside a square, so a square is really just a circle with 4 corners. See? What about other shapes? A triangle is just a really pointy circle. Then what's a rectangle? Well, it's just 2 4-sided circles put together. How about something like an octagon? Well, as you can see, it's just a wannabe circle. So the higher order regular polygon you have, the closer it is to a circle. So something like a pentagon or trigon, well, that's practically a circle. When drawing circles, it's easier to draw smaller ones because, well, there's less room for error. So if we made the smallest circle in the world, so practically a dot, it'd be perfect, right? Well, apparently not. This is getting annoying. You know what? Let's use a compass. There we go. And that's how you make a perfect circle.